In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a checkbox in Excel. This is a simple feature, but it can be very useful when you are building a checklist, a task tracker, or any worksheet where you want a clear visual way to mark something as completed. Excel now makes this process much easier, and once you know where to look, you can add checkboxes in just a few moments. To begin, highlight the cell or range of cells where you want the checkboxes to appear. This is important because Excel will place the checkbox into whatever cells you select first. If you only need one checkbox, click a single cell. If you want several checkboxes at once, click and drag across the range you want to use. Taking a second to choose the correct cells at the start will save time and help keep your sheet organized. After your cells are selected, go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon. The ribbon is where Excel keeps many of its tools and features, and the Insert tab is the place for adding elements directly into your worksheet. Once you click into that tab, look across the available options until you find the Cell Controls group. This section contains tools designed for adding interactive items inside cells. Next, click Checkbox. As soon as you do that, Excel will insert checkboxes into the selected cell or cells. If you highlighted more than one cell, a checkbox will be added to each one, which is especially helpful if you are creating a list and want each row to have its own selectable box. If the layout does not look exactly how you expected, make sure the correct cells were selected before inserting the checkbox. That is usually the main thing to check. It also helps to keep your worksheet spacing neat so the checkboxes are easier to read and use. For example, many people place them next to task names, categories, or status labels, so the sheet feels clean and easy to scan. That is really all you need to do. Select the cell or range, open the Insert tab, and click Checkbox in the Cell Controls group. Once you know this quick path, adding checkboxes in Excel becomes fast and straightforward. That covers everything you need to know.